Halo, kembali lagi di channel Andi Agusman. Kali ini kita bermain games. Mana gamenya? Headband, tebak benda bersama Pibi dan Windy dan Papa Windy. Siapa yang akan menang? Kita lihat. Oke, lanjut. Sekarang perlengkapannya ini untuk ditaruh di kepala seperti Pibi. Kartu taruh begini. Oke, terus
nanti kita
butuh apa?
butuh waktu.
Ini koin ini untuk apa, Pibi?
Poinnya
Poin. Kalau benar jawabannya
dapat
dapat 1.
satu.
Ini
kalau kita mau nanya pakai ini.
oh, ada bantuannya ya?
Iya, ada. Dan ini waktu kok pecah ya?
Nggak usah itu. Kita Oke, lanjut. Nah, diacak dulu kartunya.
Mantap kali.
Wow.
Guys, keluar semua, guys. I'm not a person.
Oke, sudah. Ya, lanjut. Sini.
Everything.
Bagi Pibi.
Tunggu, pakai dulu, Pak.
Ya, pakailah.
Belum.
Belum, Pibi. Belum dibagi kan kartunya. Oke. Papa make. Oke, siapa yang bagi?
Aku. Kita dapat 5 kartu.
Oke.
1, 2, 3. Sudah. 2 saja.
Cukup?
Cukup. Hitung dulu.
4. Tuh.
1, 2, 3.
Oke. Lanjut.
Oke, kita taruh ini di pala kita.
Masing-masing. Siapa yang duluan?
Kalian jago. Oke, kita ambil ini dan kita tebak-tebak, tapi ini bahasa Inggris, guys.
Oke.
Kita spellin bahasa Indonesia.
Lanjut.
Aku dulu.
Siapa duluan?
Aku.
Yang nebak kemana? Pibi.
Yes.
Oke, lanjut.
I'm alive. No.
No.
No. Do I have legs?
No.
I'm an animal? No.
No.
Can I swim? No.
No.
Can I be eaten?
No.
Do I have hair?
No.
I'm a person? No. Do I make noise?
Yes.
Can I fly? No. I'm a vegetable?
No. I'm betul? Udah ada cuma
Am I heavy? Yes.
Yes.
Could I be a pet?
No.
Tick tock, tick tock. Is it a clock? A hammer.
Yes.
Yay,
Poin. Poin 1. Pibi. Pibi turn. Paci yang jawab. Itu.
Am I a vegetable?
Yes.
Do I make noise?
No.
Am I heavy?
No.
Am I alive?
No. Live.
Hidup?
Not animal kan? No.
Tomato.
No.
Do I have legs? No.
No.
Can I swim? No.
No.
Can I be eaten?
Yes. The color is green. Tik tuk tik tuk tik tuk tik tuk tuk.
Oke, guys, kalau kita sudah, kalau kita sudah pakai yang ini, jadi kita taruhnya, kita buka aja, kita taruh. Jangan pas ya.
Ayo apa tebak? Answer.
Kita makan. Lettuce. No, ada.
Like a funny video.
Oh, ada. Pickle. No.
No, funny video from England.
No.
England, from England. Johnny English,
It's a
vegetable. Johnny English. Ada color is green.
ya, kalau dulu sama. Too hard.
Hah?
Too hard.
Too hot. Pas. Ayo tik tuk tik tuk.
Pas.
Come on.
I give up.
Sudah tarik.
Give up.
Tidak kan?
No. Okay.
Can I be eaten?
Yes.
I'm a vegetable.
Yes.
I'm alive.
No.
Could I be a pet?
No.
The color is
Green.
green.
Yes.
Pick tock.
Pickles.
Yes. It's a pickle. Here's your money, Pink. Aku dong.
Oh itu dulu Mbak Dwi.
Here.
Oke guys. Sekarang giliran gue.
Oh, come on. Lepasnya aku.
Kenapa kau kasih tahu?
No, udah boleh nih.
Nah, cari yang baru aku. 2 iko. Ciko. 2. Ow.
Yes.
Racket
Ready?
It's a racket hanyo.
I'm alive.
Yes.
Lyrics.
Yes.
I'm an animal.
Yes.
Can I swim?
No.
Can I be eaten?
No.
Do I have hair?
Yeah. No
Itu betul.
No. No. They have a unicorn.
I'm a person.
No.
Of not. You're
Do I make noise?
Yes.
Yes, sometime.
Sometimes.
Can I fly?
No.
I'm a vegetable.
No.
I'm heavy.
Yes.
Could I be a pet?
No.
No.
Rhino.
Kok tahu sih? That's true.
TikTok. Papa kamu ada tanda.
Kalau nggak unicorn.
Give me.
Ayo, turn.
Okay, baby.
Yeah.
Get your paw.
What's
Get
my
your
color?
No, it's yellow.
Sun.
Huh?
Sun.
Sometime green.
Yes.
Ayo cepet lagi tanya.
Am I heavy?
No.
Do I make noise?
No.
Yes.
No.
Do I have legs?
No.
Am I animal?
Yes.
Yes.
Do I be a pet?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Di kambang iwak kemarin.
Oh yeah, yes. Maaf.
Am I a person?
No.
Can I fly?
No.
Can I be eaten?
No.
Sometime.
Yes,
Kalau
sometimes.
sama tentara bisa lah.
Do I have hair?
No.
No.
Am
Huh?
I-
That's
Nah,
animal. Animal. Belong.
Huh?
It's
Belong.
big and long.
Long.
Komodo.
No! One more
I guess I
try.
know. I guess I know.
What?
Snake.
Yes. Here's your token. Now it's Daddy born.
Papa.
Oh, I know that. Look at that guy.
Can I be eaten?
No.
That's a pet.
No.
That's alive.
No.
Vegetable.
No.
They have legs.
No.
The color is
Brown.
yes. That's very good.
That's animal.
No.
You see, it's not alive.
It can be eaten.
No.
No, of course, awesome.
That's a tool.
No.
The chair.
No.
No, almost.
That's
Look at the side of you.
biggest kerah.
Yes.
Can you give me a clue?
Yes.
It's
Wait.
heavy.
It's a little heavy
Yes.
and it's could go with clothes.
That's rain. Oh.
A
that's
dress.
No.
No.
Its name is Ressa.
It starts with a D. A dress.
Dress. Dress.
Drake. Kiki.
Sing for us.
No.
Okay.
That's furniture.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Furniture. Chest drawer.
Yes. What is a dresser?
Iya, chest drawer ini.
Okay, Papa benar.
Cheers your mouth.
Oke. Mbak Andi.
It's now my turn.
Oh, what is
sebalik.
that?
Oke.
Okay, I don't know
Yeah,
what
yeah.
is this, but I know it.
It's sometimes you eat with
Wait.
rice.
Wait.
That's right.
Is it chicken?
No, it's a chicken, but it has a
You always eat with rice.
Eggs?
Nope.
Sometimes it's
watery.
watery and have vegetable in it. Itu.
Yeah,
Am I
watery.
alive?
No,
No.
of course not.
Of
Do
course.
I have legs?
No.
No.
Can I be eaten?
Yes.
Of
You
course.
always with Uti or Mama.
Chicken?
No.
Of course not.
Do I make noise?
No.
No.
Can I fly?
Nope.
No.
I'm a vegetable.
Yes.
Yes. Ingredient. Part
Carrots?
of it.
Part of it.
Part of it.
Is lettuce?
Nope.
It's makanan apa? Ya,
Tomat?
It's watery.
it's watery. You always request that when you eat chicken nugget and rice watery.
Nasi kuah.
Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Super almost.
Soup.
Yes.
No.
Yes lah. Susah.
It's a can of
Yes,
soup.
it's soup.
Here.
Ya.
Oke guys, sekarang giliran kakak Bibi. Give me one token.
Papa.
Give me.
Ah.
Oh,
Yuk.
pota.
Do
I love potapi.
Yes.
Do I make noise?
No.
Am I heavy?
No.
Maybe.
Go ahead.
If that's skarung.
Yeah.
Can I be eaten?
Yes.
Yes.
Tomato.
No.
No.
Tomato.
Pickles.
No.
Oh.
Jelly bean.
No.
They have a character in Toy Story.
Mister.
Mother-
Oh, Mr. Potato. Potato.
Potato. Okay.
Mr. Potato
You get
Head. You get
two.
what? 2.
Tuh dari yang tadi kan.
I got 3.
Papa pulang.
Yes.
Papa, Mama.
Buat.
Daddy! Sini di
We can have a dinner for you.
Eh.
Oh, it's not a bread. It's not any.
Oh yes, I know.
It's not a bread.
Okay, good. You could take
It's
that.
for a bread, but it's
Can
not a bread.
eaten.
No. Yes. No. But
It's a
it can,
machine.
yes, it's a machine could make food.
Dah kejenguan. It
It's
can live.
No.
It's machine.
Yes.
This is engine.
No.
Is heavy.
Yes.
Maybe. I think
It's
yes.
from
It's make noise.
Yes.
Yes.
Ding.
This is a generator.
No, no, no.
No, no.
It's used in cables.
Is it cable?
Pakai kabel dicocok.
It's no, in Indonesia. It's from Australia, Canada, and America.
With
This a car.
no.
Of course not.
It got cables.
Cable.
Cable. Scrabbles. I mean Scrabbles.
Can it play?
No.
It's hot.
When you touch it, it's hot.
Oh, it's a kettle.
No,
No,
not really a
it's
kettle.
hot.
It's like a kettle, but it's
Always put together with kettle and this thing.
You need.
it's like an
Always together.
oven for toast
It's for bread to toast it.
bread.
Oh, this is a
Bread toast. Oh, okay.
bread toast.
bukan.
Bread toast.
Iyalah,
Belum, bukan.
Belum.
Ada yang kurang.
pemanggang roti.
Iya.
Yes, it's the toaster.
Toaster.
Iya.
Ya bener lah. Nah kan.
Nih,
My turn next.
I mean mine.
Main. The last.
Hah?
The last. Nggak tinggal sikok lagi. Hah?
Tinggal dua.
Aku terjingat dulu.
Oke. Windy.
Aku dong. I want to hold.
Hmm.
Oh my gosh.
I want to sit on the invisible chair.
You can guess? No.
Let's zoom
Start.
it.
I'm alive.
No.
No.
Do I have legs?
Yes.
Yes.
Leg.
Leg.
Huh?
4 leg.
Alive.
No.
Leg. Kaki.
Oh.
Bingung deh.
That's right.
I'm an animal.
No.
Nope.
Can I swim?
No.
Oh,
If the float can save you.
It can float. It can float. It can
You can
float.
save it.
Can I be eaten?
No.
Of course not. What?
Do I have hair?
Nope.
No. This clue, when you eat, you always sit on there.
A chair.
Yes.
Your clue is super easy.
Baby turn.
I get a token. Give me my token. Oh, I know it's that.
Is it a winner chicken dinner?
No.
No.
Start it.
Am I visible?
No.
Do I make noise?
No.
Am I heavy?
This is can help a house
Bricks.
or cow
For
cannot
Oh,
out cannot out from the lawn.
Milk.
Huh?
Lawn.
Lawn.
Mm-mm.
Do I have legs?
No.
No.
Am I animal?
No. It's thing
Poo.
in front of house.
Seaman.
Oh, udah. Wait, no people could get in.
Door. Wall.
No. Hey.
Dia udah tahu apa dia.
Bahasa Indonesia.
Fart.
Fart.
Hah?
He farted. Pret.
I must sense.
That's define membagi antara luar dan dalam, between. So the cow cannot go to outside.
I want this one.
What's that?
Key.
Nyerah?
No. I never get up.
Tadi sudah. No, that's thing, not animal. Cannot eaten, not pet.
It's a.
That's thing.
Is it alive?
No.
Itu yang tahu aku lupa. udah ketemu. Ini nih.
Dia itu pembatas antara bagian dalam dan luar. Kalau di depan rumah kita tuh apa?
Outside.
Depan rumah kita.
Esa.
Bibi,
Tutup.
tutup.
Door.
Tutup pintu, tete.
Close.
Ya, lama banget.
Tutup pintu, tete.
Pintu. Agak ada yang masuk.
Ayo apa?
I give up.
Give up.
Ya.
It's a fence.
Kan lu sudah ditebak. Apa pula?
Oke.
Pagar.
Nah, pintu pagar kan? Bener kan, Paci? Ayo, apa ini papa?
Ah.
It's so easy. No, it's not a moon. It's a
Can
man.
it be eaten?
Yes.
For Islam.
Only the meat.
I'm alive.
Yes.
Yes.
I have a leg.
Yes.
Yes. It's for Cuba.
I'm happy.
Huh?
Yes.
Could
Yes.
I be a pet?
No.
Yes.
Yes, only at the
I'm
farm.
an animal.
Yes.
This is produce milk.
No. Maybe.
Kind of.
Maybe.
This is cow.
No.
No. It's cause bad.
This goat.
Yes.
You get one token.
Only one more.
Papa tinggal sikok lagi ya.
It's baby. Oh baby. It's
Ah,
purple.
Mbak Andi.
It's
Ayo Mbak,
first
tebak Mbak.
person.
Tebak Mbak.
I guess it's. Do I have legs?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Can I be eaten?
No.
That's super
Could I
extreme.
swim?
Hah?
Could I swim?
No.
Uh, am I alive?
Yes.
Stop
Do I
thinking.
have legs?
Yes. Right.
They
Can I eat?
They can eat
Yes.
you. They can eat you. If
Can I fly?
No.
Am I a bird?
No. This is in a film.
Leo.
A lion?
Yes. Hey. Mbak. Yes, that's true.
It's a lion!
Ayo. Bibi turn. Hey, tukang itu bocor. Hey, you always use this in go to school.
Back.
No.
No, ayo.
No. It's like
Pen.
When you not use this, you dikatain nyeker.
Book.
Nyeker. Ayo, tebak lah. What is this?
Come on,
Am I
you have
heavy?
time.
No,
Bibi! Oh, you have run out of time.
Am I heavy?
no.
Maybe.
Maybe Nike.
Yes.
Eraser.
It's heavy.
Eraser.
Maybe I think.
Adidas.
Oh. Shoes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, 1,
Yes.
2, 3. Okay.
That's a record.
Huh? Yes. Yes.
Of course.
This is a vegetable.
No.
It's haram.
This is a vegetable.
No.
This is a cake.
No.
It's haram.
This is a pig.
No.
Almost.
This is a ham.
No.
Ham. Apa lagi ya? Haram kan?
Iya.
This is piggy.
No. It's the meat.
Meat piggy.
B.
Hah?
B. A. B. A. E. B.
Bocor ke?
Ada apa?
F.
F. Depannya dari A, belakangnya N.
Abon.
Adalah haram, woy.
Ham.
No.
Yo.
You're so close, you're so close.
Hah?
You're so close. Daddy so close.
No. No. This is can be eaten?
Yes. But only for Chris.
Listen.
This is like a meat.
Yes.
Meat.
And you fry it.
Pickle. Ah, yang panjang itu kan?
Yes.
Itu ham.
Itu B.
Itu sama bayi panggil aku.
Nyerah.
Hamburger.
No. Kayak ada di hamburger itu apa yang di Wendy's. Double.
Double cheese.
No.
Double cheeseburger.
No.
Double hamburger.
No. Double beef.
Double beef. Bibur.
Bacon.
Oh, sudah. Bacon.
Ya.
Papa tidak dapat koin.
Ya sudah Papa.
Dikasih tahu.
Oke.
My turn. Am I last?
No.
Can I be sleeping?
Kok tahu sih?
Nanya.
It's you use when you sleep.
Bacon.
Yes.
A pillow.
Yes. Nah, Bibi turn.
Papa mana koinnya?
Itu tadi sudah dapat mbaknya. Bibi, this is not can be eaten. This is all you always use when you study.
Pencil.
Ya.
Yes. Sudah. Siapa yang menang? Papa mana? Kok 3 sih aku?
4 aku.
Papa tadi tuh 4.
Jadi siapa yang menang?
Ini 1, 2.
Bibi, siapa yang menang? Oke. Papa kalah ya?
Yes.
Papa kalah ya? Hai.
I'm the winner. I got money.
Oke. Oke, sudah selesai permainan
Lalu cek
headband bersama Bibi dan Windy. Jangan lupa
Subscribe.
tonton sampai habis.
Subscribe.
Iklannya jangan di skip. Bibi, jangan lupa ditonton. Dan
Sampai
jangan
habis.
lupa subscribe dan like
Tonton
video ini.
iklannya.
Tonton.
Sampai jumpa di permainan selanjutnya.
Jangan skip iklannya.
Ya, dadah.